Here is the perfect dessert. Cut the Jaffa biscuits in half. Place the biscuits around the perimeter of the tray. In a bowl, mix the cream cheese with powdered sugar. Pour in the whipping cream and mix into a firm cream. Put part of the cream over the biscuits. Mix the whipped cream with Nutella. Add a few tablespoons of cream. Mix gently and chill for 30 minutes. Add the remaining layer of cream. Mix gently with the Nutella cream. Level the layer with a spatula and chill for 30 minutes. Slice one lemon into thin slices and put into the teapot. Peel one mandarin. Separate the mandarin segments and put into the teapot. Add thin orange slices. Ginger cut into pieces. Green tea. Fill the teapot with hot water. Take the cake out of the refrigerator. Melt the dark chocolate with vegetable oil in the microwave. Pour the melted chocolate over the cream. Cut the Jaffa biscuits into pieces. Decorate the cake with biscuit pieces and chill for 30 minutes. I love this dessert with soft biscuits, lots of cream combined with Nutella and chocolate.